Hello sightseers and road trippers. A few of our family members from the US are visiting us here in the Philippines and want to do some sightseeing. They've heard so much about Cebu and decided they want to do a road trip. If you've been to our channel, you know that is right up our alley. We are sightseers and road trippers. So here we are at Terminal 3 of the Ninoy Aquino International Airport where our trip will begin. Cebu is only a 1.5 hour flight to Cebu Mactan International Airport from Manila. Cebu is a long narrow island stretching 140 miles from north to south, surrounded by 167 neighboring smaller islands. This is only a small portion of the Philippines, over 6,700 islands. From the airport, where we'll pick up our pre-rented van, we'll start our adventure right away. What do you know? We haven't even driven a kilometer and we were already stopped by traffic enforcers. They claimed we entered the road the wrong way. After a few minutes of arguing and pleading and my wife pretending to cry, they let us go without a fine. That did not make a good impression with my tourist passengers. Honestly, I don't think I did anything wrong. Write me a comment if you experienced a similar situation or your thoughts about it.
Isa pang senior ako eh. They give consideration to senior. Sabi niya, hindi ka naman senior sir eh. Sabi niya, tingnan mo yung date ka kuya.
Sabi?
Yeah, I think I'm trying to. It is about Philippines really building a lot. You know, this build, they have this motto, build. And this is part of it.
Sharp right.
There's a new star over there too.
Take the next right onto FS.
Oh, casino nga, see? Sa casino.
From here, you can see the Cebu Cordova Bridge. The Cebu Cordova Link Expressway, commonly known as the Cebu Cordova Bridge, is a major infrastructure project in the Philippines. The groundbreaking ceremony for the Cebu Cordova Bridge was held on March 2, 2017. In 2021, the bridge played a role in that year's quincentennial commemorations in the Philippines. Cebu Cordova Bridge is approximately 8.9 kilometers, 5.5 miles, making it one of the longest bridges in the Philippines. It connects Cebu City on Cebu Island with the municipality of Cordova on Mactan Island. Moreover, the bridge provides an alternative route to the existing bridges and roads, helping to reduce congestion to and from the city, especially during peak hours. Unfortunately, I missed the on-ramp to the bridge. Crossing it will be another time. We want to stick to our itinerary as close as we can. I am really disappointed that I missed that ramp. I posted a link of a blog crossing the bridge for you to look at if you wish.
In 400 meters, slide right. Better route available.
Our first stop is at the Basilica of Santo Niño de Cebu. The Basilica Minore del Santo Niño de Cebu is a prominent Roman Catholic church in Cebu City. The original church was founded in the mid-1600s by Spanish explorers around the time when Ferdinand Magellan discovered the Philippines in 1521. The church is considered the oldest Roman Catholic church in the Philippines and part of the collective UNESCO World Heritage nomination for Baroque churches. The church has become many Filipino Catholics' main and first stop when visiting Cebu City. The basilica houses the revered image of the Santo Niño, Holy Child Jesus, which is believed to be the oldest religious relic in the Philippines. In honor of Santo Niño, Cebuanos celebrate an event called Sinulog, every third week of January. The Sinulog festival is a grand celebration in honor of the Santo Niño, featuring a colorful parade, street dancing, and religious activities. The Pilgrim Center, an open-air structure within the Basilica complex, is used for large gatherings and outdoor masses. The church features a simple yet imposing stone facade with intricate carvings and simple lines, which undergoes constant restoration over the years. The Basilica del Santo Niño de Cebu stands as a testament to the rich history and deep-rooted faith of the Filipino people, playing a central role in the religious and cultural life of Cebu. Just outside the basilica is Magellan's Cross. A significant historical landmark, this cross was planted by Portuguese explorer Ferdinand Magellan in 1521, marking the arrival of Christianity in the Philippines.
Ready, one.
A few blocks away from the basilica is Fort San Pedro, a military defense structure built by the Spanish, now a museum showcasing artifacts from Cebu's history.
that. Ne.
We spent most of the day outdoor and it's fairly hot, especially to our visitors. So we decided to call it a day from the outdoor and head indoor to one of malls. This is SM Seaside, one of the newest and largest mall in Cebu at present time. It is the fourth largest mall in the Philippines. It is a circular-shaped retail mall with multiple anchors and a 147-meter tall tower located on the center of the mall. The tower is currently not occupied, but among other things, it will have a viewing deck on the top floor providing 360-degree view of the city and the ocean. We also checked out a new casino just across the road from the mall. It's called New Star Resort and Casino. And afterwards called it a day and head on to our hotel. We spent the night in Cebu City. This is day 2 of our road trip. Our first destination for today is the Temple of Leah. The Temple of Leah is situated in Busai, Cebu City. It is located about 8 kilometers from Cebu City. It is usually accessed via the Cebu Trans-Central Highway, heading towards Busai. The journey usually takes around 30 minutes by car, depending on traffic conditions. Unfortunately, despite being guided by GPS app, the signage to the temple was not very conspicuous. We missed the turn and ended up going up higher into the mountain top, which led us accidentally to this place called the Tops. It is literally what the name suggests. The Tops is perched on the mountain top, which offers a panoramic view of Cebu City, Mactan Island, and the surrounding areas. On a clear day, visitors can see the cityscape, the coastline, and the rolling hills. Although it offers breathtaking views, most of its facilities are not yet completed and services are still limited as of the making of this video.
They're not ready. Hindi pa to siya bukas.
Hindi pa siya masyadong open.
But I think it's gonna be very famous. Okay, dito.
Tayo siguro next time yun ano. Ay, hindi tayo nakapagpako ng pangalan Tops. Doon ninyo.
I didn't think
Kami nila. Ayan.
I'm just gonna waste this one.
Hindi ko pa na
After the tops, we continued our quest for the Temple of Leah by following the GPS. The view along the way was breathtaking and my passengers were so busy exchanging stories, that nobody seemed to mind getting lost.
They have laundry.
Manila lang siguro.
So we'll go. Go to the right. Gas tip. Yun. Yeah. Down it.
It should be on your body. Sabi in the city.
Kaya lang, makakatakot siguro sa gabi dito.
But we did finally find it.
Ano? Ano? Ayun o.
No, Roger's doing it.
Ayun na yun.
Roger's doing it. Ayun.
Paano mo ganda rin? Hindi pa rin yari.
Yeah, that's the way it is.
Okay, this is for Aslam. Archaeology.
Oh, there you go.
Then Aslam? Archaeology.
Ako na yung fix it. Matagal na rin siguro. Nag-ano na eh. Nag-uma na rin eh. Wala ng pera siguro.
Wala naman
Your
pala to eh.
destination is on the right.
Ganito lang pala eh.
Diyan ang park. Ano mo? Dokta pasok pa doon. Hindi ka parking area. May bahay pala
Oh,
dito.
look at that. Look at the kids.
Yung mga bahay.
Wala naman.
Yan. Temple. Kanan.
Ito rin eh, Roger. Pasok.
Okay.
Weekdays. Senior 80
Very box.
Lumpas ka, Roger.
Saan na lumpas? Babayan?
Oo, nalilukot treasurer.
Ano? Just
Treasurer.
receiver.
The Temple of Leah is a popular tourist destination known for its grand architecture and beautiful vistas. The temple is perched on top of a hill, providing panoramic views of the city and its surroundings. The temple is adorned with massive columns, which are reminiscent of those found in ancient Greek temples. The temple grounds are dotted with statues, many of which depict Roman deities and other classical figures. The Temple of Leah was built as a tribute by Teodorico Adarna to his late wife, Leah. Besides its amazing architecture, the temple features many of the Adarna family's collections of valuable souvenirs gathered throughout the years as well as family portraits and photographs. This temple's construction began in 2012, but it continues to attract visitors who come to admire its grand architecture, learn about Leah's story, and enjoy the panoramic views of Cebu City from its hilltop location. Our next destination is the Sirao Garden. It is a 22 minutes on the map app, but it took us about 45 minutes to get there due to road constructions along the way. Sirao Garden, also known as the Little Amsterdam of Cebu, is a popular tourist attraction located in the mountainous area of Busai, still in the Cebu City area. It is a mountainous ride with narrow roads, but there we encountered very little traffic on this trip. Sirao Garden is renowned for its vibrant flower fields. The garden explodes with colors, especially during the blooming season. It is set in the highlands of Busai, offering stunning views of the surrounding mountains and valleys. The elevated location provides a cool and refreshing climate, making it a pleasant escape from the city heat. I think it is a must-see, especially to nature lovers and photographers. Just take a look.
Hello. Ayan. Let's go, dude. Look here. Look. Ready? 1, 2.
Overall, Sirao Garden is a must-visit destination for nature lovers, photographers, and anyone looking to enjoy the natural beauty and tranquil environment of Cebu's highlands. This is day 3 of our road trip, and we are heading south from Cebu City. Our main destination today is the Simala Shrine. It is only approximately 1.5 to 2 hours drive, but we'll be making short stops along the way. We'll be passing Talisay, Naga City, Karkar City, Sibonga, and others.
I think it's supposed to be an apartment. I think. Mga narrow tree yan.
Wala na rest?
Nara.
Paano mo nalaman?
Maraming sa kami yan sa Bulacan. Yun ang ginagawang mga furnitures na Filipino style. I'm ready, we'll go around. We'll go around the rotonda.
Rotonda.
Let's pretend this is France.
Rotonda.
Yeah, let's pretend this is France.
Exit the roundabout onto the Temple of Leah Castle South National Highway.
Anong product dito?
This is Karkar. Karkar? I don't know. Kakar. Takbo na, video to eh. Takbo na. Oh, apat? Kaya mo apat? Ganda, ganda. It's beautiful. Nice. Right? Sabonga. O pareho, pati yung puti. Mainit na yan?
Opo, initin natin.
Init no. Yeah, bebenta ko ng roses.
Ay, ganda na payong, oh, laki.
Yeah, dadali kita pa. Yeah.
This is the monastery of the Holy Eucharist, also known as the Our Lady of Lindagan Shrine, but commonly known as the Simala Shrine, or the Simala Parish Church. It is a Roman Catholic pilgrimage church dedicated to the Virgin Mary and is located in the town of Sibonga, Cebu. It was built in 1998 by the Marian monks of Eucharistic adoration from the province of Pampanga and Luzon Island. The shrine is notable for its impressive and elaborate architecture, often compared to European castles and cathedrals. It features grand facades, towering spires, and intricate designs that blend various architectural styles. Inside the shrine, visitors can find numerous altars dedicated to different saints, with the main altar prominently featuring an image of the Virgin Mary. The shrine offers various areas for prayer and devotion, including chapels, prayer rooms, and meditation gardens. There are also designated areas where visitors can light candles and offer petitions. The Simala Shrine is known for the many testimonies of miracles and answered prayers reported by devotees. These stories are often documented and displayed within the shrine, contributing to its reputation as a place of divine intervention. The shrine is visited by visitors of various religious affiliation for its scenic beauty, architecture, and historical significance. The Simala Shrine is not only a place of worship but also a cultural and architectural landmark in Cebu. It offers a serene and spiritually uplifting experience for both religious devotees and tourists. We continued our journey to our next destination, which is to visit a friend in Dumanjog, which is on the opposite coast from where we are. That means that we have to traverse through mountainous terrain to cross over. I did not have time nor the energy to video the roads. It has been a long day and I concentrated more on my driving. However, the roads were fine and in good condition. We had no problems whatsoever. We reached our destination, which is an Airbnb that is located on top of a cliff. We'll settle here for the night and explore the rocky beach in the morning before we visit our friend and continue our journey.
Come on, doggy. Yeah, we're here now, nearby.
Ay, dito tayo pumasok.
Yeah, you wanna call her?
Rando yata to. Oh, yung aso niya. Wala siyang alaga eh. Marami na siyang
A lot of parking space.
Ganda ng kotse niya eh.
Right now, we have guests from New Jersey. It's my pleasure to serve
Oh, nice.
minsan-minsan lang sila pumunta sa bahay.
Yeah. Prayer. Ikaw daw, Dad. Prayer ka daw.
It's like mingling with our itinerary. Being nice.
Our friend Elsa and her husband prepared a delicious lunch for us of local cuisine. It was very hospitable of them. We left not long after the meal because we have a lot of miles to cover yet. Our next destination is Moalboal White Beach. This is Moalboal White Sand Beach. A beautiful stretch of white sand beach, perfect for relaxing, swimming, and sunbathing. It's less crowded compared to Panagsama Beach and offers a more tranquil beach experience. We did not stay here that long. It was an unscheduled stop for us and we were just curious what it is like as we've heard so much about it. We still have a lot of miles to cover to our final destination today, which is Oslob, and we still have one more stop before it. It has been fun so far. We've covered lots of miles and seen plenty of incredible and interesting places and have much more to go. So keep on watching. If you have not yet, please consider subscribing to our channel and perhaps hit the like button and the notification bell so you get notified of our upcoming videos. Subscribing to any YouTube channel is free and it supports us so that we can make more videos like this one. We want to thank you in advance for subscribing to the channel. Kawasan Falls is a popular natural attraction located in the town of Badian, near the western shore of the island of Cebu. It is known for its beautiful turquoise waters and lush surrounding vegetation. The falls are a series of 3 cascading waterfalls, each with its own pool, making it a favorite spot for swimming, canyoneering, and nature photography. Here are some of the videos and photos that we have taken during our visit. It is not uncommon to encounter wildlife when you visit the falls. Today we stayed only on the first level of the falls. Canyoneering on the falls are allowed with authorized tour guides only.
Conditions and expect the weather to be partly cloudy.
Kawasan Falls is a world-renowned tourist destination, a multi-tiered falls with 3 major basins. Today, you'll be visiting Kawasan Falls only at the first level of the falls, and it's about 500 meters walk from here.
Just a few reminders. Please stay on the trail to avoid disturbing wildlife and plants. This is a non-smoking area. Smoking is prohibited to maintain the natural integrity and for the safety of all the visitors. CR and changing area is available at the registration area. Please be reminded of our leave no trace practices and hold on to any trash until the end of the day.
The Kawasan lifeguards are also present in selected points to ensure safety and security. There are life vests available for free if you go on swimming, and you only have 3 hours to stay at the falls. If you have any further questions, you can ask your tour guide to help and assist you. Enjoy, explore and experience breathtaking Magellan love the Philippines.
Basically, continuous na yan.
Sa ba na ganun ito?
Follow up lang. No?
It's late afternoon when we finished at Kawasan Falls and we are on our way towards Oslob at Magellan. We are driving along the western coast to the very tip of Cebu Island, down, around, and head north along the eastern coast. We could have just driven across the mountains, but our friends Elsa and Elmer back in Dumanjug advised us against it. The island has several routes that traverse its mountainous terrain, offering scenic drives with stunning views of the island's landscapes, but it could be challenging to novice drivers, and in our case it is getting late and dark. If you remember, we crossed the mountains the day before from the Simala Shrine to Dumanjug. But we were not able to take much videos, although the drive was uneventful and the road was fine. Driving across the mountains in Cebu can be a rewarding experience, offering a unique perspective of the island's natural beauty and rural charm. But I suggest doing it during daytime and in good weather condition.
Beautiful, elegant. dadaanan mo talagang puro mga coconut tree.
Hindi ba nadaanan na natin?
Yun na talagang marami.
Mga crossovers. Like 4 crossovers. From Cebu to
Asan?
Oslob.
Sinusulat ko tapos kakaliwa ka, di ba?
Actually, papunta tayo sa dulo ng island natin.
Ang taas ang bundok ko. Dulo?
Yeah.
Ang taas ang bundok ko,
Look here.
Oo nga, pero
Dulo tayo, ikot tayo. Ngayon may crossover. Pero sabi ni Elsa, Elmer. Kasi pag nag-crossover tayo, zigzag na naman. You have to go through the mountains. So sabi niya, go all the way down na lang, umikot ka na lang. Ikot na, all the way to the bottom.
Ito, ganda.
Otherwise, sabi niya, unless you don't mind zigzag.
Saka gabi na.
Sabi ka, I think we had enough of it. Yeah, I had enough.
Yeah. Pinak tayo zigzag na yun.
That was enough.
Tsaka madilim na eh.
Cebu has been actively developing its coastal roads to improve transportation infrastructure, ease traffic congestion, and boost economic development.
Itong highway na to, no?
Several key projects and initiatives have been undertaken to enhance the coastal road network on the island.
Parang ginaya sa Route 1 eh. California.
Plans for extending and expanding the Cebu South Coastal Road, CSCR, to farther southern towns and improving its connectivity to other major roads are ongoing.
Santander Barili Highway.
Several coastal roads in Cebu are undergoing widening and rehabilitation to accommodate increased traffic and improve safety. These projects are particularly focused on key tourist areas and economic zones to enhance accessibility.
Slow down ka. That's how they slow you down.
Maalog. Mas
Because it's a
mabuti pa
school
yung
zone.
yung van natin, hindi ganito kaalog.
Yeah.
Kasi kung ano, they're good in restriction.
They're making this one too. See, so
That's the one.
really, wow, they're really making this beautiful.
Yeah, look at this. Maraming pera ang Cebu.
5 years from now. Balik tayo dito in 5 years from now.
Successful ang Cebu, no? Kaya ano na tayo, kay Santo Niño. Basketball. Punta yan sa Moalboal.
This is day 5 of our Cebu Island road trip. We are in the Oslob area, but we are only here for a day. We have several choices on what we can see, but we don't have enough time. We have hotel reservation in Cebu City tonight, and from here it's about 3.5 hours drive. We decided to go separately. Some of us will go to Simala Island and the other to see the whale sharks in Oslo. Oslob whale shark watching is one of the most popular tourist activities in the Philippines, especially in Cebu. Located in the town of Oslob, Cebu. This activity allows visitors to swim and interact with whale sharks, the largest fish species in the world. The activity typically starts early in the morning, around 6 a.m. to 12 p.m., as whale sharks are more active during these hours. Oslob whale shark watching provides a unique opportunity to see these gentle giants up close, in their natural habitat, making it a memorable experience for visitors, while also emphasizing the importance of marine conservation.
Abante siya kay
quick stop at the Museo de Oslob. It is a museum located in Oslob, a municipality in the province of Cebu. This museum is dedicated to preserving and showcasing the rich history and cultural heritage of Oslob and its surrounding areas. The Museo de Oslob serves as an important educational resource for both locals and visitors, offering a deeper understanding of the town's history and cultural heritage. This is day 6 of our Cebu Island road trip. We are back in Cebu City and we are spending the 2 remaining days of this trip in the city, or 3 including our flight back to Manila. There still are many places to see here and nearby, but we will take it slow this time and take a break from the driving. We did approximately 12 hours of driving and covered about 360 kilometers, give or take a few. Jeepneys are a popular and iconic mode of public transportation in the Philippines. They are known for their colorful designs and serve as an affordable means of travel for locals and tourists alike. Jeepneys are one of the most cost-effective means of transportation in Cebu City as well as in many other cities and towns in the whole country. Carbon Market, often referred to simply as Carbon, is one of the oldest and largest public markets in Cebu City. It's a bustling hub of commerce and activity, offering a wide range of goods from fresh produce to various household items and a food court that features Filipino food. It's a cultural melting pot where one can experience the everyday life of Cebuanos, making it an essential visit for those wanting to immerse themselves in local culture. It has become a tourist spot because of its uniqueness.
See you. Bye-bye. Have a good flight.